Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to remove your frequently used emojis on iPhone. And I will show you this as quick as possible how you can do this. Alright, the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to our settings, and then from here we go to general, and then we scroll down. Here you have the option transfer or reset iPhone, click on that, and then from here we click on reset. And now it's important to click on Reset Keyboard Dictionary. So if you click on that, fill in your passcode, and then right now, if you click here on Reset Dictionary, he will remove all your frequently used emojis on your phone. So I don't want that because I have a lot of emojis that I'm using a lot, but if you do this, you will reset it and you can start over again. So hopefully this video helps you out. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.